Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming hands-on. So in this lecture I am going to explain how to install the Python software. So we'll install the Python, then run the sample program. Let us say hello world. Then we need to install any editor, Notepad+, and from the command prompt we need to execute. So these things we will discuss in this lecture. Now, so open any browser, just type Python, just click on this python.org. Yeah, in this just see in the downloads, download for Windows. One more point, the Linux, the Python is by default. The Windows we need to install, right? Just download this Python and open file and just choose any of the things. Let us choose customize installation. Click next. Okay, check this box, install for all users, and check this box also, add Python to environment variables. Yeah, click on install. Few minutes it takes to install. Setup was successful. Click close. Now open command prompt to check whether it is installed or not. Just type Python -version. The version is 3.10.4. okay, it shows means it is shows the Python is installed. Now just minimize, just click on start button. You can see here the after installation this there we can visible. Just click on this, and this is a doc file. This is a ideally this is a default editor for the Python, and this is the manuals. So click this IDLE. So now just type we can write the program here. Let us just print hello world. It executes the program. We can do one this, and also now I'm using one more editor, that is Notepad++. So it is freely available. We can write the program here, print hello world, and file, save as. Here in the desktop, just create one folder, Python programs. So here hello dot py. Py is the extension of for the Python program. Just save. Now open command prompt, and here go to that folder. So cd OneDrive and cd desktop and cd Python programs dir. Just see the file hello.py. Now we can execute the program like this, Python hello.py. It is executed, get the output of hello world. So this way we can execute the program. So coming videos also I am writing the program on the Notepad++ and execute on the command prompt. So this way we will discuss the entire sessions. This is about a installation as well as execution of the Python programs.